This tutorial explains how to install the ribbon and consumables. This loading method is very simple and can be used for both narrow and wide materials. Insert the unused ribbon roll into the ribbon core. Insert the used ribbon roll into the ribbon recycling core. Insert the ribbon core into the lower ribbon shaft. The ribbon recycling shaft is stuck on the upper ribbon recycling axis. Turn the ribbon gear to flatten the ribbon. Put the paper on the label supply shaft. Use the paper coil to fix the paper on the center of the supply shaft. Put the paper on the paper bin. Pull out the front end of the paper print face out. Get the paper through the paper guide block and the black mark sensor. Pull the paper over the rubber roller, adjust the paper guide, and then lock it.